case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2006, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case of BondPro Corp v. Siemens Power Generation Inc. At issue was the liability for breaches of a contractual obligation, or torts, that resulted from unauthorized disclosure of a trade secret. The legal dispute between BondPro and Siemens revolved around a manufacturing process for slot cells in electrical generators. Siemens filed a patent application that disclosed BondPro's process, which the Patent Office rejected. BondPro sought injunctive relief against Siemens from using its process, alleging that it held market value. However, it failed to provide satisfactory evidence of this value. The court needed to determine if Siemens had breached its contractual obligation with BondPro by revealing their process in the patent application. Before the court could determine damages, the district judge granted Siemens judgment as a matter of law. BondPro could not prove that their trade secret claim had independent economic value and was not common knowledge or easily ascertainable by others. The court ultimately ruled that no damages would be awarded to BondPro, and suggested that their trade secret claim might involve more than just using heat and air pressure for manufacturing rotor coil insulation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.